Actually, here are the 5 best sports cars that you can get for your daily. They might be expensive, but they might serve you a long time, and these are the best of the best sports cars you can get for your daily, for cruising around the streets, for drifting, doing donuts and such. Number 1, we have the BMW F80 M3, and this one comes with a 6-cylinder 3-liter inline 6. Yeah, it comes with a 3-liter inline 6 that produces as much as 500 horsepower and 700 newton meters of torque. Yeah, the second the price of the BMW F80 M3 can go from as 9 million to 14 million depending on the specs that you need. Number 2, we have the Mercedes CLA 45, and this one you find it at the front. We have that specific AMG grille, and under the hood is the powerful 2-liter 4-cylinder with an output of 400 horsepower and 600 newton meters of torque. The interior is quite insane with ambient lighting, multifunctional steering, a sunroof, and everything such. Number 3, the Audi RS3, and actually the Audi RS3 is the best of the best sports sedan you can get, and actually George Kingara has it, and this one the price is just 7.2 million. It comes with a 2.5-liter 5-cylinder engine that puts out 340 horsepower and 450 newton meters of torque. The interior just looks insane, comes with a sunroof and everything as such. Fuel capacity of the Audi RS3 Sportsback, it can consume up to, let's say, 10,000. Yeah. Number 4, we have the Porsche 911 GT3 RS, and actually this one is the ultimate track focused machine that you can get. Price 28 million. Number 5, we have the Toyota Supra, and this one is actually the best. The price from S1 to 7 million.